A couple of years ago, we went to my sister's houses in California. My little sister made some great potatoes. These are fingerling. They're small. They come in brown, red, and purple. Sometimes at the grocery store, you can buy them from a barrel and just pick out the ones that you want. I wasn't lucky today, but I bought some in a bag. My recipe calls for 1 pound. If you've seen any of my low sodium cooking and recipe courses, you know that if something heats real well the second time around, I'm going to make more. So I am making 1.5 pounds of the fingerlings and 1.5 pounds of Perfect Trio from the Little Potato Company. There's red, purple, and gold, and they're tiny. They're little. They're only about this size. Very, very tasty. I've done these with all kinds of different spices. Today, I'm just using rosemary and a little bit of black pepper. I wash the potatoes, prick them with a fork, take my big bowl, put a little olive oil in it, potatoes, whatever spice I'm using for the day, and move them around with my fingers to get the spices on the potatoes. Then I microwave it. I'm a good one for using parchment paper because it makes such good cleanup. You'll need a pan that's got a little bit of a rib on it. I'm using a cookie sheet. Put these potatoes on there. These are going to go in my oven, 385 degrees. When they come out of there, they are so pretty. This is 3 pounds. There's 3 of us eating dinner tonight, but we're still going to have leftovers. At this point, instead of putting the potatoes on parchment paper, if you have a little basket, and it's not 100 degrees in your backyard, you can spray this basket with nonstick. Put the little potatoes in here and grill them. They're wonderful. About every 10 or 15 minutes, I'll take it and shake it, move those potatoes around a little bit, put it back on there. On my grill, on medium heat, potatoes are done between 20 and 30 minutes. Really good. We're not grilling today. This next one is not potatoes. Went to my older sister's house. She said, hey, you want to try a new way to do corn somebody told me about? I said, sure. I can't believe this. A wet paper towel, and because our mother was a Southern lady, she always put a little bit of sugar in her vegetables. If you're a Southern person or you just happen to like it, the paper towel's wet, sprinkle a little sugar on it, wrap the corn up in it, just like this. Microwave it. For Johnny and I, we do 2 ears of corn. It takes 2 minutes and it's done. I'm doing 3 pieces today. For some reason, if I put 3 in, it takes 4 minutes. I don't have to get my pot out, fill it with water, boil it, throw the corn in the colander, clean the pot, put it all away. This is it. This is all here. Oh, it's so good. So easy. Gotta try that one. 25 minutes in my oven, and these potatoes are perfect. You can see a little bit of rosemary on these. There it is. They're quite good. Always listen when somebody offers a new recipe. When you're watching sodium, a lot of times it's just real hard to find something that's this good. Now you've got my little sister's recipe for potatoes. And you've got my big sister's recipe for her corn. My pork chops are almost done. We are going to be eating very soon.